Ever have a favorite pair of sweatpants that just won't stay up, even when the drawstring is tightened?
Hello friends, Nancy here. That was a case with a family member. Let's dive right into how I fixed it.
When I inspected the waistband, I discovered 2 rows of elastic, one at the top and another at the bottom of the waistband, with the drawstring running in between them. Interestingly, another pair of sweatpants without this issue had a different type of elastic that didn't stretch as much. The problem pair had overly stretchy elastic, which was likely the culprit. Instead of replacing the elastic, I decided to modify the drawstring to solve the problem. Is tying a continuous drawstring a mystery? Shortly after this repair, I'll show you in a quick how-to. I gathered the waistband material toward the back and sides by pulling the drawstring tighter in those areas. This reduced the waistband's size and stretchiness. With the drawstring positioned to hold the gathered fabric, I pinned it in place on either side of the front and used a straight stitch on my sewing machine to secure it. I backstitched at the beginning and end, going back and forth enough to secure the drawstring. Hand stitching will do the trick too. While at the machine, I didn't forget to stitch closed where I opened up the waistband to explore. Now, the waistband has reduced stretch at the back and sides, while the front remains flexible for easy wear. A snug fit that keeps the sweatpants comfortably in place. My family member is thrilled with the fit. No more droopy waistband.
If this video is helping you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It's completely free, and then you won't miss a thing. As promised, here's one way to knot a continuous sweat pant or gym short drawstring. Cross one drawstring side over the other,
Leaving a loop near the waistband.
pull the side that is lying on top into the loop. You've just made another loop. Grab the other side and pull on each loop. There's a heart for you. You are on track. Pull the smaller loop and the larger loop to create a small knot at the waistband. Now we tie it like shoelaces. Make a small loop on the shorter side. Wrap the longer side around the base of the small loop. From underneath, push the longer side into the hole made at the base of the small loop and pull the doubled drawstring up and out, but don't pull the end through. When you are ready to untie the knot, tug on the long loop and the drawstring knot will slide apart. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit these video links for more fun tips and techniques. Until next time,